Hello viewers, today we're going to see how to design a septic tank for given population. The problem is design a septic tank for the following data. So the number of persons is 140, sewage contribution is 120 liters per capita per day, then desludging period is 1 year, length to breadth ratio is 4 is to 1, then design a dispersion trench adopting infiltration rate as 1200 liter per meter square per day. For the septic tank, first we have to find out the quantity of water supply is per capita demand into population. So the per capita demand is 120 liters per capita per day into, so the population is 140 persons, so the total is 16,800 liters per day. So assuming that 80 percentage of water supply is converted into sewage, so 80 percentage, so 80 divided by 100 into 16,800. So the value is 13,440 liters per day. So we are going to convert the liter per day into meter cube per day. So the value is 13.440 meter cube per day. Hence 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. Again we are going to calculate the detention period for the 24 hours. So Q is equal to, so 13.440 into 24 is detention period, and per day is 24 equal to 13.440 meter cube. So that is 13,440 liters. Next, assuming that the deposited sludge as 30 liters per capita per day, so deposited sludge equal to 30 liters per capita per day. So we know the cleaning period is 1 year. So desludging period 1 year, it's a given. Now the volume is volume of sludge. So the volume of sludge is rate of sludge disposition. So equal to, so the 30, we assume that 30 into, so 1 person is equal to 140, so total population is 140 into 1 year is equal to 1. So total is 4200 liters. Now the total capacity of septic tank, capacity for sewage plus volume of sludge. So now the value is 13,440 liters plus 4,200 liters. Total is 17,640 liters. So we convert into meter cube. So 17.640 meter cubes. This is a total capacity. We assume the depth. So depth, assume depth equal to 1.2 meter plus 0.3 meter as freeboard. So now the capacity equal to the 17.640 divided by, so that this depth 1.2 meter, so equal to 14.7 meter square. So this is the area of septic tank. So from that area we can find out the breadth and the length. So we know length to breadth ratio is equal to 4 is to 1. So now L equal to 4B. So now we can substitute here. So L into B is equal to 4b into b equal to 14.7. So now 4b square equal to 14.7. So b is equal to 1.917. So say equal to 2 meter. So now we know that b is equal to 2 meter. So L equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8 meter. Now we find out the length and breadth. Dimension of septic tank equal to, so length into breadth into depth. Length equal to 8 meter into breadth equal to 2 meter into depth equal to 1.5 meter. So from that 1.5 meter, 1.2 is effective depth plus 0.3 meter freeboard. Next we are going to find out the design of soak pit. So in soak pit, the given infiltration rate is given 1200 liters per meter cube per day. That is 1.2 meter cube per day. So now the volume of soak pit. So volume of soak pit equal to volume of tank divided by percolating capacity infiltration. Okay, infiltration of filter. So now 17.64 meter cube is a total volume of tank, and the infiltration is 1.20 meter cube per day. So now the value is 14.7 meter cube is the volume of soak pit. Assume that depth of soak pit is 3 meter. Assume depth of soak pit is equal to 3 meter. So now the area of soak pit soak pit equal to 14.7. It's a volume divided by 3 is the depth. So total value is 4.9 meter cube. So the soak pit is a circular area. So pi by 4 into d square equal to the area is 4.9. So now d is equal to 2.49 meter. So d equal to 2.5 meter. So the soak pit dimension is depth is equal to 3 meter and diameter is equal to 2.5 meter. So this is a method to design the septic tank for given population.